Okay, we are at Crew Stadium, and the scoreboard is on fire. That's right, scoreboard on fire. It just caught on fire like 5 minutes ago. They're not letting anyone in. Everybody's evacuating, maybe. And here they come! Is this because we lost to the Chicago Fire last week? Is that what's going on?
Oh, that's dirty.
That would be bad if we were playing the Fire. Yes, we finally get a new Jumbotron! Woo! Things from the Stone Age. Hello? What up? Hello? Hey, I'm at the Crew game and the scoreboard just caught on fire, dude. They called the cops, the fire trucks and everything. Yeah, dude, it might be on the news. I bet the news will be here soon. I was the next person in line to get inside the stadium, and they shut the gates and started freaking out. We've been asking for a new scoreboard because the thing's ancient, so maybe now they'll actually give us one. Crazy. Crazy, man. It just happened like 5 minutes ago. And I brought my video camera, so I'm super psyched that I brought my video camera. It's crazy, dude. Crazy. Hell yeah, man. You what? It was all right, man. You know, no one really showed up. Joe showed up, and he brought, you know, Alyssa and his wife. Like, there's only like 4 people that showed up, but I'm gonna start planning like to have a good one. No, I know what you're saying, dude. Word, man. Yeah, we'll celebrate that. All right, man. Well, I'll call you back whenever I figure out. I mean, they may cancel the game. I have no idea. Well, I'll let you know what's up. All right. Later. What is going on? Well, welcome to your first Crew game.
Yeah, right? I tweeted, I said, today might be the day Columbus till I die.
I said, and then the scoreboard got on fire. And that's what I was telling you I should do something.
Oh my God, I can't believe that. No, that was my last beer. I know.
That is it.
It is a bummer. This is ridiculous. Huh? This crappy one? I had a better one, but the pedal fell off, so I had to buy like a used one.